Well, we're going to do a live bike show. Starting today, June the 6th, you can enter in to show off your bike. We're on our next live event, which will be June the 29th of this year. Well, of course it's this year. On June the 29th, that's a Sunday, we're going to have a YouTube Live. And in that live, we're doing a bike show. So if you would like to be entered in and enter your bike in the bike show, it's absolutely free. Just email me at this email right here, butlercustomsmotorcycleshop@gmail.com. Send in a picture of your motorcycle. Send in several pictures of your motorcycle. Send in several motorcycle pictures or several pictures of your motorcycles, plural. Whatever you want to send in. The judging will go on with me and my wife and my kids. So I don't know, you might win for having the pinkest bike. You might win for having a ponytail. I don't know. But everybody's going to vote in my family, and then I will announce the winners on June the 29th, that Sunday, during our live event. So I want to try to set up a TV beside me and you can see what I'm seeing and see all the bikes that were sent in. So it's going to be a live bike show virtually on June the 29th. So go ahead and get your pictures of your bikes sent to me so that we can start judging them. Now listen, the cutoff date is June the 25th. That is the last day to send in pictures of your bike. That'll give us a good 4 days to judge and me put all the pictures together and all that jazz. So I hope you're excited. I hope you get involved in it. And there will be prizes for the first, second, and third place winners. Gifts and prizes that I will make myself, since this is our first annual inaugurated bike show. Tell your mama now I said hi.